Carolina Crusher, Son of a Digger, Bad Habit, and Monster Mutt Dalmatian will be competing in today's Monster Jam Steel Titans versus Monster Truck Destruction video game freestyle throwdown. Here we go. Up first we've got Bad Habit. He gets some big time air and then goes over the crush cars. He's gonna go over the crush cars again. It looks like he's setting up for a backflip at the backflip box. Whoa! And a huge backflip by Bad Habit. Yes, over the crush car and through the camper. Bad Habit is having an amazing run so far. The freestyle clock is running out. Let's see what he finishes up with. It looks like he's gonna go for another backflip. Yes, and he lands a perfect backflip over the crush cars backwards. And he's going for another backflip. Whoa, he almost lost it there. And another backflip. This is amazing. Oh, and he lands on his roof. Is he going to be able to get it back over? And he gets it back over on all fours. And that is the end of Bad Habit's run. That was amazing. Up next, we've got Son of a Digger. And Son of a Digger's not messing around. He comes out with a huge double backflip. Wow! What an amazing start for Son of a Digger. Let's see what he has in store for us next. A huge flying front flip. Whoa! A huge flying 360. And he lands it. He's getting in a wheelie now. What a run for Son of a Digger. Whoa! A big time flying backflip. And he lands it with a little stoppie. Wow! He's getting in some donuts. Let's see what he's going to finish up with here. His run is about to end. He looks like he's going for a backflip. Wow! Whoa! And he's able to get the truck back up. He's going for the backflip box again. Oh! He's got it back over. And that will end the run for Son of a Digger. Wow! Up next, we got Carolina Crusher. Don't forget, Monster Truck Destruction is a free mobile game, so you can download it on your Android or Apple device. He's going over the crush fans. Yes! Carolina Crusher gets some big time air. It looks like he's lining up for a backflip. And he nails it. A perfect backflip by Carolina Crusher. The freestyle clock is running out. He's got to finish up. Over the crush cars. And that will end Carolina Crusher's run. Up next, we've got Monster Mutt Dalmatian from the video game Monster Jam Steel Titans, which is available for the PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and PC. Huge flying 360 by Monster Mutt Dalmatian. And directly into a double backflip with a stoppie. Wow, that was amazing. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about, a huge flying backflip. Here's some in-truck camera footage. And Monster Mutt Dalmatian's getting in some donuts. Heading for the backflip box. Oh, and a hard landing on the side, but Monster Mutt Dalmatian's able to get it back up and is going to finished up with some donuts. And the judges' scores are in. And the champion is Son of a Digger. That is all for today, guys.